Guys, nagtatahi ako ng ano, ng costume ng alaga ko. Babalot sa legs nila para sa kanilang dance, powwow dance this coming gonna cut this. Gonna cut the other side. Mahaba kasi yung aking zipper. So we're gonna try to trim it. This is for the other one. For here. Wala pang zipper. So, ibabalot natin to sa kanyang leg. This looks like this. There. Para sa kanyang binti. Sana kasya ito kay Helen. This is for Helen. Cover sa kanyang ano. One down. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Well, I'll be pretty. Well, I'll be rich. Here's what she said to me. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be. Okay. Mga alaga ako, nakikikanta din. So, one down. Let's see it. So, I need to fix this.